Dr. Shah, I just picked up a copy of your new book. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. That's my book.
Incredible. Clinical Decision Algorithms in Diabetes. What made you want to write this book?
Yeah, so if you think about the standards of care in diabetes that American Diabetes Association publishes every year, it's about 350 pages that talks about everything in diabetes care, but we thought that clinicians may not have a time to read those 300 plus pages.
Right.
So we tried to condense that into just the 40 plus pages and all in algorithmic format so that it makes it easier to see them while they are talking to their patients and trying to figure out how to make the best of that.
And what is your hope for how physicians will utilize your new book?
Yeah, so I think when we were residents, fellow, and now faculty, we all have some kind of a decision support in our mind that what we're gonna do. If someone is diagnosed with diabetes, what is next? What kind of medication I'm gonna start first? What is the second one, right? So it's some kind of an algorithm. We put that everything here. So when I'm sitting in front of me, my patient, and if I have a question that, what kind of diabetes it is, I can just open up that book, look at the few steps, and I can figure it out. So I hope that this book will be useful to primary care residents and fellows who are seeing a lot of patients with diabetes.
Is this something that you've been hearing from fellow physicians as far as they need a way to condense all of that?
Yes, all the time. So I and my co-author, Dr. Akhtar, we used to do a program, and still we are doing it, called Diabetes Dialogue, where we train diabetes fellows, endocrine fellows actually, for diabetes technology management. And every time we do that, they ask us the same thing, that can you put all these things in the flow chart and have a summary of that? So this is a perfect book for everybody who are asking us to do that.
Wonderful. And you have a very special event coming up in case people want to get a signed copy of the book.
Yes, it's scheduled tomorrow. It's a Sunday at 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. right here at the ADA Bookstore. So please stop by. We'll be happy to talk more about this book, and I'm sure it will be useful to your practice.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations again on the book, and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much.